When installing a curved screen, do you often get into trouble and accidentally damage the screen? The curved design makes installation more challenging and requires more meticulous skills to complete. Next, let me take you to explore the secrets of curved screen installation, so that you can easily master the skills. Before you begin, make sure you have the tools you need. Heating table, T8000 glue, glue remover, needle glue bottle, flat blade, flat large blade. First, let me show you the disassembly steps. Place the phone on the heater, heat the screen until the heater reaches 100 degrees Celsius. Drop glue remover around the screen. Use a blade to slowly insert it to the top of the screen, tilt the screen up a little, and drop a small amount of glue remover into the tilted position to melt the screen adhesive, thereby making the gap larger. After that, use the screen removal card to insert it through the gap, slowly slide it along the edge, and then drop a small amount of glue remover to remove the screen. Clean the area with glue on the middle frame. There should be no glass residue on the middle frame after the glue has been removed. Be sure to check it carefully. This completes the screen disassembly. Next is the installation. Before installation, please make sure that the screen and the middle frame are completely fitted without gaps. Use T8000 black glue to glue around the edge of the middle frame, and then install the screen. Fixed for 15 minutes, it can be completed. That's the content of this issue. Have you learned it? If you have other questions or suggestions, please leave us a message in the comment. Welcome to like and share.